High school tends to be around the time where there are all these stereotypes of what girls should be doing versus not doing in terms of the educational context. Brave Initiatives is a coding camp for high school girls, but really is an experience to try to get girls outside of their comfort zones. We are teaching Python through a rock, paper, scissors game. So they're playing rock, paper, scissors in person, and then they're translating that knowledge to programming a rock, paper, scissors game in Python on the computer. I think a lot of organizations and companies and universities are seeing the importance of getting more girls and more women into tech. I've seen some of the girls downstairs already taking pictures of their screen, putting it on Snapchat, and really excited that this is something that they built. So they love it.